This is the Logitech MX Mechanical Tactical Quiet keyboard versus your membrane, your standard membrane style keyboard. So how do they sound? The actuation of these keys is actually only about halfway down, so I've already actuated it there. Then you have a little more travel left. Actuated and then more travel. So they're actually very quiet for a mechanical keyboard. Of course, the keys of the MX Mechanical feel much more premium than your standard style membrane keyboard. But if you're used to a ergonomic style keyboard, it will take a couple of weeks to get used to this tighter design.